India's 78th Independence Day, a celebration of our incredible journey to freedom. On this momentous day, we come together to honor the spirit of a nation that rose from the ashes of struggle to the heights of freedom. 78 years of independence, where every heartbeat echoes the dreams of our forefathers, and every step forward is a tribute to their sacrifices. India, a land of diverse cultures, languages, and traditions, united by the shared values of freedom, dignity, and justice. We celebrate not just our independence, but the vibrant tapestry that binds us as one. In our schools and homes, the lessons of courage and resilience resonate, reminding us that the legacy of freedom is ours to cherish and uphold. As we salute the tricolor, let us pledge to keep the flame of independence burning bright, for today, tomorrow, and always. Happy Independence Day.